Good morning, everyone. I am Rochelle T. Villanos, and this morning I will tackle to you about the one of the seven principles of arts, which is harmony. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng harmony? Harmony in art refers to how art elements relate to one another within the composition. In comparison, the overall wholeness or oneness of an art composition must be considered to create unity in art. So, ang salitang harmony ay galing sa salitang Griegong harmonia na nangangahulugang pagsasama-sama ng mga bagay. So it means that harmony in arts ay tungkol sa pagsasama-sama ng mga elements of arts tulad ng mga shapes, mga lines, mga forms, mga colors at iba pa. So harmony is a significant principle of art that deals with how well all the elements work together at kung paano gagamitin ang mga texture, geometric shapes, and the colors. So in achieving harmony in art is done by using important elements such as the color, value, shape, form, and texture. And now, let's proceed to the three types of arts harmony. And number one is color and value harmony. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin kapag color and value harmony? So, the harmonious color combinations ay tinatawag ni color schemes and comprise ito ng monochromatic, analogous, and complementary. Looking at the color wheel, color harmony can be produced when using analogous color schemes. So first, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng analogous? So analogous color schemes are the colors that are adjacent to each other on the color wheel. Or ibig sabihin, ito yung mga color na magkatabi sa color wheel. And another way that color harmony in art is achieved is through monochromatic colors. So from the word mono, which means one, so monochromatic refers to something that has or consists of only color. And another is the complementary color schemes. So itong schemes na ito or these complementary schemes ay made up of two colors na opposite in each other kapag tiningnan naman natin sa color wheel. So halimbawa nito ay ang color na red at green, ang kulay na bughaw at kahel, dilaw at lila at marami pang iba na makita natin sa color wheel. And one of the best example nito ay ang Water Lilies by Claude Monet, and he was also described as a master of color theory. So as we can see in the picture, it has a calming aura due to the artist's use of the blue, cool colors. So there's a strong sense of harmony because of the analogous colors na ginamit, which are the purple, blue, and the blue-green combinations of colors. Another example is the Waterloo Bridge, London at sunset by Claude Monet also. So in this painting, gumamit siya ng blue and gray colors with hints of pink and orange tones to break up the monotony, brings through harmony to the artwork. So next is the shape and form harmony. So tumutukoy ito sa paggamit repeatedly ng mga shapes or forms in an artwork. So shapes can be organic or those shapes na makikita natin sa paligid or in nature, and also geometric shapes, just like example yung mga triangles, mga circles, mga rectangles, and many more shapes. So ang mga example nito, first ay ang painting ni Henry Edmund Cross na tinatawag na two men by the shore. So as we can see in the picture, Henry Edmund Cross used organic shapes throughout the artwork to create harmony with shapes. Another example is the mineral objects na ipininta ni Paul Nash. So as we can see, it displays how harmony can be achieved with shapes. So even the background is composed of circular forms. Nash painting is visually pleasing because of the shapes that all work together cohesively. Next is harmony in textile patterns, and the best example is the fruit pattern of William Morris. So as we can see, itong kilalang fruit pattern has the balance of organic shapes, the color, movement, and negative space. So these art elements are combined to create a harmonious image. And the third type is the texture harmony. So texture harmony is produced through brush strokes. Consistent brush strokes throughout the painting will create harmony because the entire artwork is composed of the same textural rhythm. So it means that in order for us to achieve harmony in a painting, dapat same or uniform lang yung texture ng brush strokes na gagamitin across the surface. Texture can be created through art techniques such as first the impasto technique, which refers to when the paint is thickly applied. So ibig sabihin, makapal yung paglagay ng paint para talagang ma-imprint yung brush or palette knife na ginamit ng artist. At yung artist na kilala sa paggamit ng ganitong technique ay si Vincent van Gogh, and one of the best examples here is his olive trees with the yellow sky and sun. So as we can see, from the trees to the yellow sky, the brush strokes are all in beautiful and unison with one another. Another example ay ang kaniyang painting na Cypresses, and the thickly applied paint and curved lines created an almost three-dimensional effect, and the texture brings a sense of cohesiveness to the painting. And the next technique is pointillism. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng pointillism technique? So, in this technique, the artist would use mga point, dots, and also strokes para makabuo ng illusion. And this method was pioneered by the French post-impressionist artist na si Georges Seurat. And one of the best example nito ay ang kanyang painting na A Sunday Afternoon on the Island of La Grande Jatte. As we take a closer look, the compacted microscopic dots are incredibly blend to form a soft texture of the painting. Another example is the pink cloud. So as we observe, there's no section of the canvas is missing this technique, and the dots are consistently the same sizes, and this greatly enhances the overall level of harmony in the painting.